It's a lovely day outside today. Look, it's sunny. It's spring here at the moment. So we need to be outside. So we're gonna go to the lower Blue Mountains and we're gonna go to one of the walking track there and do a little picnic. Coffee? It's just an old bridge. We're gonna go down there. Go all the way there. And then we'll have picnic. I'm trying to see what's down there. We found a spot for picnic. There's a mat here. Let's take off the snacks. We don't have that much energy to walk long distance because we went to the gym this morning, so we don't have that much energy left. I'm gonna have snacks and then we just lie out here. Enjoy the sun. Now we have to take the stairs going all the way back up. It's about 107 wooden steps. We are back in our place and it's nearly dinner time. Tonight's menu will be chicken tacos. First is the taco seasoning. So I'm supposed to use lime juice but I don't have any. I only have lemon juice, so I just squeeze the lemon juice. Then olive oil, onion and garlic, paprika, some cayenne pepper, and salt and pepper. I'm just gonna coat the chicken with the seasoning. And also add 2 tablespoons of chicken broth. And then I'll put the remaining chicken broth and tomato paste. cut the chicken into small pieces and then I'll add it into the sauce. I tried it, it's spicy. It's not presentable. I'll leave it now. Morning! I got up nice and early this morning and I already went for a 20-minute cycle on the exercise bike. So last night I was thinking of having pancakes for breakfast, so that's what I'm gonna have. The pancakes that I'm making is the apple cinnamon pancakes. My favorite, of course. And I'll just add some protein to this batter because I've been lifting weights in the gym. I need this.